We are so happy Rochel's here in Shelby Township for many reasons. Number one, helping to save lives. But the bonus here is jobs coming into America.
Shelby Township is a wonderful community. And what I've learned about Roshel, it is a very dynamic, innovative company.
At Roshel, we share the same values as the United States of innovation, resilience, and freedom, and our vehicles serving the same values as we all share. We look forward to create more jobs, to enhancing and increase defense capabilities of the country by bringing the best intellectual property, knowledge, and experience to the United States.
Thank you, Roshel, for coming to Shelby Township. We're looking forward to many years of a great partnership. Thank you.